November 15th, Monday, 2021, and bonded septic just came out here before I got here. They were supposed to be here at 12, but they must have came here early. And they got the 900-gallon tank in there. They got the drainage fields all hooked up. And ProBuild hasn't come out here yet to finish the rest of the excavation. But as you can see, bonded's right in here with the whole job, and everything has been done nicely. Everything's laid out really good. Look at these drainage fields. Looks really good. So November 15th, Monday, they came out early. And there's that benchmark right there on that tree. So that starts about a foot away from that tree out that way. So that's where the leaching field or drainage field is starting. And this one's a little shorter over here. And this came out pretty good. I'm pleased with it. There's the clearing out there for the steel building. But I'm really pleased with the way they did that. Very nice. And the edge of the house will be approximately somewhere in here where this little marker is. Tank will be right here. Nice tank. 900 gallons.